Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick review swatch and tutorial, I am doing a video on the Sigma Beauty Power Stick Lipstick in the particular shade in Spades. There are 6 shades to choose from, but unfortunately right now on the actual website Sigma Beauty, when you try to search for it, it won't be available, but I did Google it and found a few places where it is still available, and all 6 shades are available at us.lookfantastic.com, and you can also purchase it at qvc.com, which it only has 2 of the shades available, and this one in particular. So it retails for $17.50 plus shipping and handling $3.50 on QVC. But let's go ahead and talk about the product. It's very luxurious, very beautiful. The formula is amazing. It's so luxurious feeling and looking. The pigment is there. It's unique. It's wearable. It's vivid to neutral. It's satin. Finish stays comfortable long after application. The color wears beautifully from day to night. It includes 0.11 ounces of product, and it's free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. So this shade is described as an earthy shade, but in my opinion, it's definitely a true pink, and it's definitely a shade that I would wear to stand out. Or definitely a girly shade in my opinion. But that was the video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time.